How to fix Facebook Messenger. This media is no longer available. So there are a few ways on how to fix this issue. However, in most cases, if you see this media is no longer available error, it often means that the person who sent you the media has deleted it. So in this case, the media is no longer accessible. So moving on is to check if Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your media files. So to do this, just head over to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, and then use the search icon found on the top right corner and search for Messenger. Then select the second option, which is Permissions, and then ensure that these permissions are enabled, specifically the Photos and Videos permission, also the camera. So if not, just tap on that permission and then tap on Allow. So the second method is to try to restart the application or your device. So to restart the application, just swipe up. This tab will appear. So to restart the application, just swipe up. And now reopen the application to see if the issue has been resolved. Another method is to clear cache. So navigate to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Then use the search icon located on the top right corner to search for Messenger. Then scroll down until you see Storage. Then tap Clear Cache, which is found on the lower right corner. So if all of the previous methods still did not work, try updating your application to its latest version. So go to Play Store and then search for Messenger. Tap Messenger and then see whether an update button is available. Another crucial thing is to check your internet connection. So make sure that your device has a stable internet connection, as this may be the cause on why the media is not loading. And so those are the ways on how to fix Facebook Messenger. This media is no longer available. Thank you and have a great day.